Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best plant waterer is probably one of the most essential tools for any plant parent, especially those who struggle with consistent watering or find themselves away from home frequently, as it ensures your beloved greenery receives the hydration it needs to thrive without constant manual intervention, preventing both underwatering and overwatering, which are common pitfalls that can lead to plant distress or even death, ultimately saving you time and worry while promoting healthier, more vibrant plant life. Number 5. Blumat Classic Self-Watering Stakes. Introducing the Blumat Classic Self-Watering Stakes, your solution for consistent plant hydration. These Austrian-engineered stakes work automatically, ensuring your plants get the water they need. Crafted with superior design and materials, these accessories seamlessly integrate with any plant. They use a clever siphon mechanism to draw water from the ceramic cone, keeping your plants perfectly hydrated. Experience innovative plant watering with these devices. They automatically release water exactly when your plants need it, making them a reliable part of your garden watering system. Setting up and maintaining these stakes is incredibly easy. Simply integrate them into your existing plant accessories for optimal hydration without any special effort. This versatile watering system is perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants. Enjoy a hassle-free solution for maintaining ideal moisture levels without the need for a timer. What we like. This option uses a clever siphon mechanism to draw water from a reservoir, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. If you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable way to keep your plants consistently hydrated without any complex setup, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for their indoor and outdoor potted plants. What people say. The water level indicator is a great feature, allowing me to easily see when it needs refilling. I love how the waterer automatically adjusts the watering frequency based on the plant's needs. It's so convenient. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my home decor. It doesn't look like a typical plant waterer. Number 4. Plant Watering Globe Set of 6. Introducing our set of 6 plant watering globes, designed to keep your plants hydrated. These beautiful glass bulbs offer a simple solution for consistent plant care. Each globe holds 100 milliliters of water, providing up to approximately 5 days of irrigation. This helps maintain optimal soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. These self-watering planter inserts are handcrafted from durable glass. Their elegant design complements any indoor or outdoor plant setting. Using them is a breeze. Simply fill them with water and insert them into the soil. You can then relax, knowing your plants are being watered automatically. These watering devices slowly release the precise amount of water your plants need. This promotes healthy root development and ensures your plants always look their best. Designed to minimize the frequency of manual watering, these globes are perfect for busy plant owners. Enjoy peace of mind with consistently hydrated plants. What we like. These handcrafted glass globes offer a beautiful and functional way to water your plants for up to 5 days. You can easily monitor the water release, ensuring your plants receive the right amount of hydration. If you appreciate aesthetic appeal and want a visual indicator of your plant's water supply, these are ideal for you. They're perfect for smaller plants or when you'll be away for a short period. What people say. The water level indicator is a great feature, making it easy to see when a refill is needed. It's designed to hold a good amount of water, so you don't have to refill it too often. The watering mechanism is consistent and provides the right amount of moisture to the plants. Number 3. Upgraded Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. Never worry about underwatering or overwatering your plants again. This automatic system delivers the perfect amount of water directly to their roots, keeping them healthy and thriving. Get your watering system up and running in just 10 minutes. It comes with everything you need to easily customize it for all your indoor plants. This smart design uses up to 70% less water than traditional methods. It precisely targets the roots, minimizing evaporation and ensuring efficient watering even during dry spells. Easily set your desired watering schedule with the large, clear digital display and programmable timer. Your settings are saved automatically, so you don't have to reset it every time. Power your system using either AA batteries or a micro USB connection. It even has a backup battery function, ensuring your plants are always watered, no matter the power situation. Enjoy your vacations or busy schedule without plant-related worries. This system takes care of your greenery, so you don't have to. What we like. This is a comprehensive system with a programmable digital timer, capable of supporting up to 15 potted plants. Its dual power option provides extra reliability. If you have a larger collection of indoor plants and want precise control over your watering schedule, this is the ultimate solution. It's perfect for busy individuals or those who travel frequently and need a robust, automated watering setup. What people say. The unit can be powered by either 4AA batteries or with the included USB cable. You will set how long the pump is turned on to water your plants, 1 to 99 seconds or 1 to 5 minutes, and how often the pump will do this. I set mine to every 4 hours. The pump provides 500 milliliters per minute, so you can calculate how much water your plants are receiving. Number 2. Blazin Indoor Plant Watering Globes, 4PC Deluxe Set. Introducing the Blazin Indoor Plant Watering Globes, a set of 4 beautiful hand-blown glass watering bulbs. Keep your plants perfectly hydrated for up to 10 days with this automatic irrigation system. Using them is incredibly easy. Simply fill the globe with water, flip it over, and press it into the soil. It will automatically water your plants as needed, ensuring they stay healthy even when you're away. These watering globes ensure your plants receive the ideal amount of hydration. As the soil dries out, the globe releases water, providing the correct moisture level for thriving plants. Each hand-blown glass orb is unique, featuring beautiful swirled patterns in translucent blue, red, navy, and turquoise. They add a decorative touch to your house and garden. Never worry about your plants dying while you're on vacation again. These self-watering bulbs provide a reliable solution for continuous plant care. Blazin stands behind its products with 100% satisfaction guaranteed and easy-to-reach, US-based customer support. We're here to help with any questions you may have. What we like. These decorative, hand-blown glass globes can keep your plants hydrated for up to 10 days. Their beautiful design adds a touch of elegance to your home while ensuring your plants receive consistent moisture. If you want a solution that is both highly effective for longer periods and serves as a beautiful decor piece, this is the one for you. They are perfect for vacations or for anyone who wants to minimize watering frequency while enhancing their plant display. What people say. They worked great. So I went online and ordered a few more sets. They are beautiful and pretty sturdy for glass globes. Super cute, works well and looks great in my plants. The glass globes are beautiful and I love this easy way to care for my plants. They work and look great. Number 1. LGL Automatic Plant Watering Globes, set of 4. Tired of guessing when your plants need water? These self-watering globes automatically provide the right amount of hydration when the soil is dry, making plant care simple and enjoyable. Enhance your home and garden with these beautifully crafted hand-blown glass watering bulbs. Their elegant design complements any plant display, adding a touch of style while keeping your plants healthy. Made from high-quality, durable glass, each watering globe is carefully crafted to ensure longevity. Their ideal size is perfect for a variety of indoor plants. Forget the hassle of traditional watering cans or expensive self-watering planters. These globes offer an affordable, elegant, and efficient way to keep your plants perfectly watered. Looking for a unique gift? These stylish watering bulbs come in beautiful packaging, making them an ideal present for plant enthusiasts, housewarmings, or any occasion. Ensure your plants thrive with steady moisture release that promotes healthy root growth and prevents overwatering. They are perfect for houseplants, garden pots, and even vacation plant care. Crafted from durable, eco-conscious materials, these watering stakes help regulate water flow for up to 14 days. Optional sleeves aid in easy insertion and prevent clogging, perfect for busy plant parents. What we like. Offering hydration for up to 14 days, these eco-friendly glass globes combine affordability with elegant design. They are crafted to provide steady moisture, promoting healthy root growth and reducing overwatering risks. If you're looking for a long-lasting, stylish, and budget-friendly option for your indoor or outdoor plants, this is an excellent choice. They make a perfect gift for plant lovers or a great addition to any home garden. What people say. They can keep soil moist for up to 1 to 2 weeks depending on the plant and soil type. They release water slowly, helping prevent overwatering and root rot. The plastic pointed piece that comes with the globe allows the water to drip and makes it easy to stick right into the soil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.